Welcome to our channel, where we make managing your Payoneer account simple and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel, where we make managing your Payoneer account simple and hassle-free. Today, we'll walk you through a quick and professional step-by-step guide on how to log into your Payoneer account seamlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and type www.payoneer.com in the address bar. Press Enter to reach the official Payoneer homepage. Once there, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This action will take you to the login page. Next, enter the email address linked to your Payoneer account carefully in the designated field. Make sure your spelling is accurate to avoid any login issues. After that, type your password into the password box. For security, ensure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Your Password link to receive instructions on resetting it via your registered email. Once your email and password are entered correctly, press the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are verified, you will gain access to your Payoneer account dashboard where you can manage your payments, view transactions, and access multiple financial services. In case you experience any trouble logging in, double-check your internet connection and re-enter your details. Alternatively, clear your browser cache or try logging in from another device or browser. For further assistance, Payoneer provides customer support ready to help with any access issues via their support page. Now that you know exactly how to log in without hassle, managing your finances with Payoneer has never been easier. Remember, always keep your login details confidential and monitor your account activity regularly to ensure safety. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks for using Payoneer effortlessly.